do a peak roof on it. We had enough material to do a peak roof. So I just find the center of the structure, and then we'll put some uprights and get the peak, and then we'll start building rafters off the peak. And I want to determine how much overhang I want to have over the door.
What's your measurement?
10 inches here, I think.
You're not wearing your belt, that's why you got no pencil. Oh.
Let's see. In the back.
Yeah.
So let's go 12. Let's go 10 inches in the back.
10 inches in the back, and you're going to go 12 in the front.
Yeah, or whatever left over.
Okay.
So, just thinking here out loud. We'll measure up, cut a piece to fit in there that'll make the top height at 23 inches. And then we got to go back, put a level on that beam so it's level that way.
Right.
And measure the distance, because you got 3 laminations there and only 2 laminations back over there, right?
True. Is that temporary, just to hold it for now?
Yeah. Just something to... I need the level.
Okay.
Okay, you bring the ridge up until it's level. And you just measure the distance. You want the ridge to be level, right? There's 20 inches. Hey, can you give me the level, please? Let's just see if this is level. Should be. Perfect.
So why are you taking off those boards?
So the rafter won't interfere.
Oh.
I want the rafters to be on the same plane.
Okay.
So, show you. The rafter's going to be here. Now it'll be flush. Right?
Okay. I see.
So I want to see if these are square up and down.
Mm.
Pretty much perfect here. Okay. That one looks pretty good there too. I never lies.
What does it tell you?
Well, this angle finder, this is the pitch. You know, you put it roughly to the top, come to here. You take this, you go like that, and then it gives you the angle that you need. See that? That's the angle you need now for this cut.
Does it give you a number or something?
No, just gives you an angle. That's all you need. You don't need a number.
So what'd you do? You put this angle in on the miter saw, and
Yep.
now it's there for the rest of the rafters.
Happy with that. That I can live with. That I can live with. All right, first rafter. Yeah, so we're already starting to move in.
Yep. We'll have to find that formula for borax and sugar and water. Get rid of the ants.
Yeah. What do you think?
About what?
Oh, pretty good. That's pretty good.
You seem surprised.
I am. I'm shocked. I am shocked. All right.
Yep, it's got a good angle to it. Like you said, you're going to cut off the overlong rafters at the ends there anyway.
I think so. Oh yeah, you got to cut them off. I'm going to strap it with these boards here.
Mm-hmm.
We can strap it this way, and then we put the tin on. And
Are you going to need the nibbler again?
no, I'm going to use an angle grinder for that.
Okay.
That's pretty good. Huh?
Yeah, that's good.
Using the solar system to charge the batteries today.
Screwdriver's down here on the second level.
So we'll see if it works.
Well, it's part of that 15% of a plan. So change in plan.
Excited.
I was super excited. Change in plan. What are we doing?
Okay, instead of 24-inch centers, we're going to do 26-inch centers.
Because we get 104 inches for the each side.
26 here.
So total on each side, you'll have 4 rafters or 5 rafters.
So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rafters. We'll have 5 rafters total
Per side. Okay.
per side. 26.